Welcome to this channel Hack Hunter. In this video, we will see how to get the invite code to join Hack the Box platform. First of all, what is Hack the Box? Some of you might know about it. Let me give a short intro to it. Hack the Box is an online platform allowing you to test your penetration testing skills and exchange ideas and methodologies with other members of similar interests. It contains several challenges that are constantly updated. For joining this platform, we want to get some invite code in that site. Let's jump into that video. Now, we will go to the Firefox. And type www.hackthebox.eu. Yeah, here is that website. This is the front end of that page. I click login here. This is the login page. If you are already a member, you can log in with your credentials. If you are not a member, you have to click join now. This is the invite challenge page. Here you have to give the invite code. Okay, there is nothing special in this front end, so we can go to the page source. Okay, let us search for any interesting clues. Here there is one source to image. You can copy the image and go to that link. Oh, it's just a logo. You can search for any other interesting clues. At the end of this page, there is some JavaScript code. We will copy this link and paste it here. Oh, this is not a, this looks like a code. There is another one link. Here they have given some clues. Like function, console, log, make invite code, Ajax, type, post, data type, JSON, URL, API, invite, how to generate success error. This may be a roadmap to get that code. Let us follow these instructions. First, copy the invite code, make invite code function, and go to invite challenge page. Here inspect element and go to console tab. Here they have given some black box here. Keep command hack this box. The page loads an interesting JavaScript file. Yeah, we have found that JavaScript file. Let us paste here, make invite code. Oh, we have to give it as a function. Make invite code and braces. Okay, some hint is shown here. Data is encrypted. We should probably check the encryption type in order to decrypt. Expand the object. Yeah, they have given some data and it's encrypted in base 64. Copy that link, copy that data. And change it to base 64 to text. We can decode it in online. Paste the data here and hit decode button. Yeah, we got that. In order to generate the invite code, make a post request to api/invite/generate. We have to make a post request to that link. It can be done with the Burp Suite. I will give an intro to Burp Suite in another one video. Start Burp. Now shortly, Burp Suite is an interesting and integrated platform for performing security testing of web application. It is designed to be used by hands-on testers to support the testing process. Burp will act as a bridge between the browser and the user. Okay, here is the Burp Suite. Go to Proxy tab and first off the intercept. Then go to the browser. First we have to change the preference settings of the browser and go to the network proxy, click on settings. Here we normally use system proxy settings. For using Burp Suite, we have to turn it to manual proxy configuration. Here HTTP proxy must be 127.0.0.1 and port should be 8080 and hit OK button. Now the network proxy have been changed. Then go to Burp Suite and on the intercept. Now we have to give the request. Here is that link, api/invite/generate at the box that you use /api/invite/generate. Hit OK. Oh, we have not get that request. Off the intercept and on it again. And refresh the tab. Here comes that request. Here is that request is in get method. We have to change it to the post method and type post and forward this request to the browser. Burp Suite will forward that request to the browser. Yeah, we find that data, it is in encoder format. Copy that data go to the preference tab and we have to change the network proxy now. Settings, change it to system proxy and click OK. Now paste our code in the base 64 and hit decode. We got that code. I think this is the invite code for our login page. Copy and go to the Hack the Box invite challenge page. Close the console tab and paste the invite code tab and hit sign up. Yeah, congratulations, we get into this Hack the Box platform. Here you can create your ID with username, email and password. Welcome to the Hack the Box community. I will definitely upload another one video for the Hack the Box platform. I will give a brief intro to that platform. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel to get the videos constantly. Until then, bye bye.